How to fix the Discord phone number already linked error on Android. This tutorial shows you how to bypass and resolve this issue on your Android device on Android. First, open Discord on your Android device and try removing the phone number currently linked to your account by going to your user settings and tapping on Account, then Edit and removing the number. After that, if you get the error, go to your Android settings and long press on the Discord app icon, then tap the Info or I button to go to App Info. From there, tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache, then tap Clear Data. At this point, go back and tap on Force Stop to completely close Discord. In the next step, go to the Play Store and search for Discord and tap Update if an update is available, as this error is sometimes caused by an outdated version. Following this, reopen Discord and try linking your phone number again. Once done, if the error still appears, try using a different phone number if you have one available, or temporarily remove the number from any other Discord account it may be linked to. From here, if you are still stuck, tap on the three dots inside Discord settings and tap on Submit a Request to contact Discord support directly and flag the issue. Finally, Discord support can manually unlink the number from their end, which is the most reliable fix if nothing else works. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix the phone number already linked error on Discord, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.